Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I talk about many different ways to make money online. I upload a new video every single week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will review a brand new website called Slake Rewards, where you can make money by watching videos, answering surveys, playing games on your phone, and much more. I will go into more details in a minute about all this, and I will also request a payment and show you my payment proof. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get your first 50 coins. Once you click on the link, you will need to enter your details and make sure the code 9MD7FP is showing here to get your 50 coins. Now that you've signed up, the first thing you will see on the homepage of Slake Rewards is the amount of points you have and some offers you can complete at the bottom. As you can see, I currently have 707 coins worth 71 cents. Every day you can claim 5 coins simply by clicking here. So now I have 712 coins. In the redeem section, you can redeem your points to your PayPal account once you earn at least 1050 coins, or 10,000 coins for cryptocurrencies. The minimum payout request is only $1 or 1050 coins. However, if you wait until you get 10,000 coins, it will be worth $10. Therefore, it might be worth to wait until you reach that amount. Back to the dashboard, you have a list of different offer providers where you can earn coins by completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and much more. And each provider has different offers. In Offer Toro, you can select mobile apps, for example, and select your operating system. So if I install this game on my Android phone through Slake Rewards and reach level 12 within 11 days, I can earn 9,100 coins, or about $9.10. And there are many more different options, as you can see. As with most similar websites, I expect these offers to change often. So by the time you watch this video, some of these offers might not be available anymore or replaced by new ones. In OneAds, you can complete surveys directly from your iPhone, Android, or computer. And in the mobile section, you can also play games to earn coins from your iPhone and Android phone. And finally, in Lootably, you also have a lot of different offers you can choose from. The way I earned most of my coins were by watching videos through Hideout TV. So I will show you how to do this. Hideout TV is a website where you can earn points by watching videos with ads. And with those points, you can transfer them to many different platforms, including Slake Rewards. I will put the link in the description of Hideout TV so you can sign up. So once you've signed up and logged in, you will get to this page where you have a very high amount of videos you can choose from. And once you watch enough of them, you will earn points that you can then transfer to Slake Rewards. I currently have 926 points on Hideout TV, and I will now transfer those points to Slake Rewards. The way it works is that you can link Slake Rewards to Hideout TV, and then when you go to Start Redeem Process, you can choose to redeem your points there. So 918 points from Hideout TV are worth 714 coins in Slake Rewards. Simply click on Redeem Balance, and that's it. It can take up to 24 hours for the points to be credited, but in my experience, it usually only takes a few seconds for the points to be transferred. Back to Slake Rewards, I will now reload the page, and as you can see, I now have 1,426 coins, or $1.43. So I can now redeem some of my coins to my PayPal account, as the minimum is only 1,050 coins. But first, I will show you another way to earn coins from Slake Rewards. In the Refer and Earn section, you can find your referral link that you can share with your friends, family, or followers. You will earn 50 coins for every user you refer, and the person you invite will also earn 50 coins, so it's a win-win for both. Make sure you only refer real people to Slake Rewards, so don't try to create multiple accounts under your name, as there is a good chance they will ban your account for doing so. So I will now redeem $1 to my PayPal account. I just need to enter my email address associated with my PayPal account and click on Proceed. I can now track my payment status in the Transactions tab. Here is the confirmation of my payment request, and the status is now in pending. At the top, it says payments are processed weekly, so I will pause this video and resume once I receive the payment. I am now back as I received a notification from my PayPal account confirming my payment was received. In the transaction section, the status is now showing as success. I will now log into my PayPal account to show you that I received it. And here's the payment proof from my PayPal account. So I requested a payment of $1 from Slake Rewards and received 66 cents because PayPal charged me a 34-cent fee. I contacted Slake Rewards support to understand where this fee is coming from, but it's not the first time I see that PayPal charges a fee when you redeem cash. Once they reply, I will write down the answer they gave me in the description, but from what I understand, after trying many similar websites, is that PayPal charges a fee for every transaction made via these types of websites. Some websites pay a part of those PayPal fees, or the full amount, and some don't. Slake Rewards is still a very new website, and they paid quite fast, so I'm still happy recommending it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, or if you would like me to test any other paid website, and I will gladly try them and make a full review. Thank you all for watching, and see you next week.